The EPL PM100 LED 100 explosion-proof LED light from Larson Electronics is rated Class 1 Divisions 1 and 2 and Class 2 Division 1 and 2 and uses a 16-inch Cree LED light head to produce 11,667 lumens of light. This lamp can easily be adjusted up or down 90 degrees. This light provides 9,000 square feet of work area coverage and is mounted to an A-frame style aluminum base. This light fixture has an adjustable LED light head measuring 16 inches wide by 14 inches high. The LED light head on this unit produces a brilliant flood pattern of light that is ideal for illuminating enclosed areas and hazardous locations. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.